Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day Shopify dropshipping using only free TikTok traffic. Now I'm going to let you in on the latest dropshipping secrets, okay? We're going to take my old store where I sold these umbrella fishing traps. That's been dead for a long time now. I would not recommend selling that product. There's much better ones out there, but we're going to take that old store and we're going to get some sales happening on it using free organic TikTok traffic. So we're not going to spend a dime on advertising. It's going to be completely free and we're going to easily be able to generate $100 a day. Now, I do not recommend selling the product that I'm selling in this video, okay? It's just one of my old stores that I already had set up and I'm showing you guys how this TikTok free organic traffic thing works, okay? I don't recommend selling that product, but I've made a checklist for you guys so that you can find the perfect product to do this with. Okay, number one, it's got to be a product that you can actually order to your house and make content with using your phone. It's got to be something that you can make viral TikToks with. For example, the posture brace, that was a super popular dropshipping product that sold heaps. Excellent problem-solving product. Would probably not be the best for this because it'd be kind of hard to make viral TikTok content with a back stretcher, but it still could be done, but you're probably looking for something that's easier to make sort of TikTok specific content with. Here's an example of a great product that would be perfect for doing TikTok videos, making fun TikTok videos, throwing those sticky balls on the roof, those glow in the dark. There's just endless amounts of content you could make with this product. All right, number two, it has to be something people have never seen before, something unique. Number three, of course, it can't be found in stores, so people can't just see it on TikTok and then go, oh, that's so cool. I'll go down to the local Kmart, Walmart, Target, whatever, and buy it. Can't be found in stores, so it's got to be a new product. Either a problem-solving product or a wow factor in the product. Now, margins aren't super important with this because we're using free TikTok traffic to generate the sales, so it's all profit. There's no advertising costs, so margins aren't super important, but if you want to scale this, after you build up a ton of audience and pixel data on your site and you want to scale this with Facebook ads, then margins are important. So always keep that in the back of your mind. If you can get a product with good margins, all the better. And finally, it's got to appeal to the masses. As you're going to see in this video, we put a couple of TikToks up and one of them actually goes mega viral, but because this is a very niche product, we actually get more sales from the first initial views up to 10,000 than we did when this video got millions of views. So if you had a product that appealed to the masses, then when it gets into the millions of views, that's when you really start making big money. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and build your Shopify store. You're gonna order the product in and take your own custom photos and really make it look awesome. Now start making a ton of TikToks with your product. Now, some things to think about when you're making these TikToks with the product, okay? Number one, has to be a really unique way of using the product or a unique video. That's what's gonna go viral on TikTok. TikTok is flooded with the same stuff, the same trends. You know, if you have something unique, that's really how you can go viral on TikTok. So spend most of the time thinking about what you're gonna do instead of actually filming. Okay, think of a really interesting or weird idea. It can be weird, it can be wacky, whatever. Just, it's gotta stand out from the masses. Number two, you do not wanna make it look like an advertisement, okay? As far as I would go for like a call to action at the end would be to maybe put link in bio in text at the end of the TikTok, okay? Just so people know that they can purchase it off your site and this is like a company TikTok page, but they should get that impression when, for instance, the umbrella trap I'm selling here, when literally the name of the TikTok page is umbrella trap. Most of the time they'll figure it out and they'll go click on the bio, they'll go click the link in the bio, but it's also a good idea maybe just have a small call to action at the end, link in bio, but do not make it look like an advertisement. It will not do well if it's an advertisement. It will not go anywhere on TikTok. Number three is add a famous sound into the TikTok, okay? This has been proven to like literally boost your chances by like 75% to go viral. They've done some amazing like tests on this. It really makes a big difference if you put a viral sound in your video. Even if you don't want the sound in there, you can just put the volume on 0 for the sound, but it will appear in the search results for that sound. So that's why you want to have that viral sound in there. It really does make a big difference. And you want to put about 5 hashtags in there, but like related to the content. But obviously, from what I've seen, hashtags really don't do that much for the videos. It's more so the viral sound that will really boost the video. But put those hashtags in there anyway, so TikTok knows who to send this video out to. Now, as for your TikTok page, okay, you want to upload your website logo as the main picture on your TikTok page, and you want to switch your TikTok page after you first start it to a business account. That's going to give you a link in the bio. And after you put your link in bio to your website, you can then change it back to the creator account. And that's going to allow you to then use the viral sounds, because some of the sounds when you switch to business account aren't allowed for commercial use. But if you switch back to creator account, it'll keep the link in bio, but then you've got access to all the viral sounds again. Okay, so let's have a look at the results of the umbrella trap store after I posted the first TikTok. All right, so we're gonna go select the first TikTok I posted. Oh, let me just get screen record happening on the phone. So the first TikTok that I posted, I actually posted on the 28th of February, but it didn't start getting views until the 1st of March. So it had 10,000 views on the 1st of March. And if we actually have a look at this, on the 1st of March, we got 2 orders with 10,000 views, which was really good. I was happy with that, you know. But then this video actually went super viral. It got 2.6 million views. So if we go to the 2nd of March, this is when it started getting millions of views, only $125 worth of sales. And this is because, again, we broke the product rule. I only did this for an experiment to show you guys the tick-free traffic method, but you want a product that appeals to the masses. This is a niche product, only appeals to like the, passionate, fishermen. It doesn't appeal to the millions of people that probably enjoyed watching this video. So if you had a product that appealed to the masses, you would be killing it when you get in. If you get a viral video on TikTok that appeals to the masses, with a product that appeals to the masses, go damn! That cash would be cha-ching, 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 flowing in like no tomorrow. But this is such a niche product, even with millions of views, most of the people that viewed it probably weren't interested in actually buying the product. So with a few million views, we only got $125 worth of sales. And again, guys, because we're not spending a dime on marketing here, this $125 is, you're talking massive profits. So how many orders are that? 5 orders. The products are about, I think they're like $8 each shipped. So you're talking 5, 8 to 40. So you're talking almost $100 profit, okay? And that was on day 2. First day was $60. Day 2 was $100 profit. Okay, now let's have a look at March 3. Just March 3. Okay, so $25 worth of sales. Okay, now it stopped getting views at this point. It was getting pretty much nothing. It got 2.6 million so fast, and then it just boom, nothing after that. So I posted a couple more videos. The next video got 4,500 views, and then the video after that got 3,000 views. So if we look at March 4th and 3rd, we'll go both of those together. These are probably the sales from those videos that I uploaded. So that was $50 worth of sales. I think that was it. Yeah, so it was $50 of sales between 3rd and the 4th from these other 2 videos that I uploaded, and that only got 3,000 and 4,000 views. So that's pretty standard. That's what I would expect. But if you posted 10 of these videos a day, you could just imagine, like, it's not that hard to make 10 of these TikToks a day. You just pump it out. I literally did this for the YouTube video as an experiment to show you guys. But you could just pump these TikToks out, boom, 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 10 of these a day, no worries at all. And you could easily make over $100 a day. And if you had a product that appealed to the masses, when you get that viral video like I did on here, wow, you'd be getting sales, tremendous amounts of sales. Like, it would be ridiculous. If you really had one of those viral products, then yeah, you'd be killing it and get a couple million views. Damn. Okay, so in total, over the few days that we posted 4 videos, we made $235.50 US, And basically all of those videos were made in a day. So you could really say that I made that in one day, the 235. But we'll just go with, you know, over a few days for now, because that was really one day's work to do these 4 videos. The TikToks aren't hard to make, and I did it all with my mobile phone too. None of these were like done with a DSLR or professionally edited. The only one that had a little bit of GoPro footage in was this one, underwater camera. Literally had the tiniest bit of GoPro footage in it. Just after I caught the fish in the trap, I put the GoPro back in the trap, threw it back out again, and then took a tiny bit of the footage of the fish swimming around inside the trap. But apart from that, that was all filmed with a mobile phone. And you could pump out so many of these videos a day, it's ridiculous. So we're just gonna watch this TikTok quickly that went viral. I'm gonna have to mute that so you guys won't be able to hear the viral sound for copyright reasons for this YouTube video. But as you can see, it's only an 8-second video, just displaying the trap, what it does. It's really cool because it's like throwing the bread in, throws the trap in the water, pull it out, there's a ton of fish in there. It's really watchable. It's really easy to watch, it's really good. So I think that's why it did so well, because it's so short and just easy to watch. People would probably watch it a couple times over, probably shared it with their friends going, oh, look at this, it's so cool, caught so many fish, whatever. And it had the famous sound too, which is a big thing. It's been literally proven this is a massive thing for TikTok, have a viral sound in there. Now, I still think you can make easily $100 a day with this product, even though it doesn't appeal to the masses. If I was really gonna try hard with this product, I would definitely change products, because this doesn't appeal to the masses, but you could still make $100 a day if you posted 10 of those videos a day, just kept at it, making $100, just keep posting content, even if they didn't get many views, like in that, you know, 5,000 sort of range. If they were getting around there, you'd still be getting probably a sale or 2 off each video. And, you know, if you did this for a month straight, then in that case, you'd probably have enough data, like on your Facebook pixel, to start running ads, extremely targeted ads, and you would probably be very profitable. Now, the reason I think a lot of other dropshippers maybe tried this to begin with, but didn't have much success with it, is because when TikTok first came out, there's a lot of little kids on there, like 10-year-olds, 3-year-olds, you know. They were the main audience on TikTok, but I think that's really shifted now. Everyone's on TikTok, and there's a whole new sort of audience there, and they've all got buying power now too. It's not just kids on there anymore, you know. Everyone's on TikTok, everyone's watching. So I think there's a whole new audience there now. You've got more so an Instagram audience on TikTok than you did before. So I think there's a great opportunity now, and you don't need any followers on TikTok to go viral. That was a brand new account, started a day before I uploaded the first video, 0 followers, and yeah, 2.6 million views on the first video. Now, the reason I love this method compared to traditional dropshipping is it's very easy to get caught out. I got caught out during coronavirus when I had ads running and stuff, and my products actually stopped getting shipped out. Now, I could get a refund off of the people on AliExpress, but when it comes to the marketing, the advertisement, the money I spent on Facebook ads, you don't get a refund there. So this is a very safe way to start out. You know, if you don't have a whole lot of money to spend, then you can do this and you get free organic traffic to it, and that can really get you started out. So that's why I like it so much. It's a lot safer. You don't get trapped in spending a ton of money on ads and then realizing you've got to refund all your customers, and you don't get that money back that you spent on the ads because someone's stuffed up and didn't send out your orders on AliExpress or whatever happens. It's very common in this space to be screwed over by these Chinese suppliers. So watch out for that. But I think that's what makes this an excellent method. Well guys, if you like this dropshipping content, let us know, and maybe I'll do some more of it. Maybe I'll do some product research videos or how to set up your social media pages. Let me know what you want to see. Thanks again for watching. Share it with your friends. That would be really appreciated. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, any great video ideas, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.